Hi guys, so today we're making potato veggie sauce. This is the simplest way to cook and enjoy your vegetables. Some potato. I'm using chicken breast as my protein. I'll slice my chicken into preferable sizes and steam with some spices. You can use any spice you prefer. Whilst my chicken is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my vegetables. In a bigger pan, add tomato passata, add sliced potatoes, add hot water, stir till everything is well combined, then cover and allow to simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my sliced carrots and I'll allow this to simmer for 2 minutes. Whilst that is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my bell pepper. In here I've got red, yellow and green bell pepper. I'll then add my celery, add my steamed chicken and my chicken stock. I'll stir till well combined, then cover for another 2 minutes. Whilst that is cooking, I'll go ahead and slice my onion. For a hint of pepper, I'm adding 1 habanero pepper. I'll slice my pepper and add that to my sauce. Then I'll add my remaining vegetables. I'll stir till well combined. Now that I've added all my veggies, I'll allow my sauce to simmer for about 2 minutes. Because this is vegetable sauce and we don't want our veggies to be mushy, just after 2 minutes, our sauce is ready. Do not overcook. If you overcook, your vegetables will be mushy. So just after 2 minutes, your potato veggie sauce is ready. Anyway, I was laughing because my husband was making me laugh. I hope you give this a try and leave a feedback in the comments.
Like, share, follow and subscribe.